Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Wicked for Good outfit, the Glinda one on Dress to Impress. Not people like this dress, but this is my version. I know it's not the same. I know the skirt isn't the same, but obviously I can't recreate it to look exactly like that. So let's get started with the video. You do need VIP for this. I am going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, use this one. In D7AEZ77, position the Y to 0.48, Z 0.44, rotate the X to 0.52, Y 0.51, and scale it to 0.44. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Y to 0.49, Z 0.72, scale it to 0.11. Grab this updo and color it the same as well. For the hat part, I use this VIP item. Color the third and fourth toggle like this. So the third one in FFB2B2 and then the fourth one FF6B86. For the adjustments, position the X to 0.7, Y 0.91, Z 0.53, rotate the Z to 0.74 and scale it to 0.43. Then I used these earrings, the shell ones, and colored it white in the material neon. For the outfit, go to currency items and get this one. In the second toggle, use the silk material and use this color for everything, FF6B86. For the skirt, go to codes and get this one in a lighter pink and silk, and then that two in silk in lighter pink, and then silk as well in this green, and then that green again, 9BC B95. It's more like a mint. And then for the rest of the skirt, I used two. I used the witch set in green and pink. Make sure you add silk just to, I don't know, make it look cuter. Oh, I think I did both colors green, both toggles, sorry. Then for this one, do pink in silk and then green again. Then for the shoes, I used these ones and colored it the same green in silk. I might make it a little bit darker actually, like maybe this 71946E. And then for the gloves, you're going to put this on first in the short toggle with no fur and color it this pink color, FFB3B3 in silk. Then you're going to want to get these gloves in the darker color in silk, and then this color even slightly a little bit darker than the color we put on. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.